Hello. The objective of this video is to explain the working of my personal project, which is called as my Superhero DB, which I have created as a part of the final submission of Bolt IoT Voice Apps training. Now here you can see the design of my project on VoiceFlow, and I have already successfully uploaded it to the Google Access console for testing, as you can see here. So before testing it on the Google Access simulator, I have to tell you the basic features of my project. So there are two basic features of my project. Now, for the first feature, I have used an API called as Superhero API. Now, this API in my project allows the user to search through various characters, which could be either superheroes or villains from multiple universes like Marvel, DC, etc. And they can know various kinds of information about that particular character. So, if that particular character is present in the database, then the user can get to know about power stats, biography, appearance, work, connections, and can even have a preview of image of that particular character through my project. So it's really cool, and that is why I have named my project's name as my Superhero DB, where DB stands for database. So it's like the user is accessing the database of a particular superhero. So that was the first feature and the API. Now, coming to the second feature of my project allows the user to store the names of their favorite superheroes along with their own names and a reason as to why they like the superhero in a spreadsheet which I have created on Google Sheets called as favorite superhero list. Now, this feature of my project is achieved with the help of an integromat scenario, which you can see here. So webhooks module receives data from VoiceFlow and it is further forwarded to Google Sheets, where Google Sheets module adds a row to my spreadsheet. As you can see here, I've already tested it for two names and will be testing it for the third on the Google Action Simulator. So let's begin the test and test our features of my project, My Superhero DB. So let's start.
Alright, getting the test version of my Superhero DB.
Howdy, folks. Welcome to my Superhero DB app. Would you like to know about any superhero or let me know your favorite one?
Okay, so let's search for a superhero first.
Okay. Which superhero would you like to search for?
Okay, so in order to search for a particular superhero, we need to enter the name of that hero. And let's search for Captain America.
Character found. What would you like to know about Captain America? Choose one from Power Stats, Biography, Appearance, Work, Connections, and Image. Or would you like to search for another superhero?
So Captain America is present in superheroes database. So it seems that that is the reason why it says character found. And for that, I will be going through various information. So let's start with the power stats of Captain America.
Here's the power stats of Captain America. Intelligence, 69. Strength, 19. Speed, 38. Durability, 55. Power, 60. Combat, 100. Say, continue, to know more about Captain America.
That's amazing power stats of Captain America. Let's continue to know more about him.
Choose one from Power Stats, Biography, Appearance, Work, Connections, and Image. Or would you like to search for another superhero?
Let's see his biography this time.
Here's a brief biography of Captain America. Full name, Steve Rogers. Alter egos, no alter egos found. Aliases, Nomad, The Captain. Place of birth, Manhattan, New York City, New York. First appearance, Captain America Comics Number 1, March 1941. Publisher, Marvel Comics. Alignment, good. Say, continue, to know more about Captain America.
Let's continue.
Choose one from Power Stats, Biography, Appearance, Work, Connections, and Image. Or would you like to search for another superhero?
So this time, let's check his appearance stats.
Fetching the appearance stats of Captain America. Gender, male. Race, human. Height, 188 centimeters. Weight, 108 kilograms. Eye color, blue. Hair color, blonde. Say, continue, to know more about Captain America.
So as expected, as we all know Captain America, it's pretty well explained. Now let's continue.
Choose one from Power Stats, Biography, Appearance, Work, Connections, and Image. Or would you like to search for another superhero?
So let's see his work this time.
The occupation of Captain America includes adventurer, federal official, intelligence operative, former soldier, Hydra agent, liaison between S.H.I.E.L.D. and the Avengers, police officer, teacher, sparring partner, with base of operation as New York City. Say, continue, to know more about Captain America.
Let's continue.
Choose one from Power Stats, Biography, Appearance, Work, Connections, and Image. Or would you like to search for another superhero?
Okay, so let's see his connections this time.
Captain America is affiliated to groups such as Secret Avengers, Black Ops Unit formerly, The Avengers, Secret Avengers Civil War, New Avengers, formerly The Invaders, Secret Defenders The Redeemers, formerly partner of Bucky, Golden Girl, Rick Jones, Falcon, Demolition Man and Nomad Jack Monroe, and relatives include Joseph father, deceased Sarah mother, deceased Ian Zola Nomad adopted son. Say, continue, to know more about Captain America.
Okay, so we'll continue for the last time and check for his image, and we saw that it was well explained. Even I was not knowing so many connections of Captain America.
Choose one from Power Stats, Biography, Appearance, Work, Connections, and Image. Or would you like to search for another superhero?
Image.
Here is the image of Captain America. Say, continue, to know more about Captain America.
So we received an image of Captain America because we requested for the same. So I would like to say that I have used card block in VoiceFlow project, as you can see here, to implement this feature, which allows the user to have a preview of the image of that character which he or she has searched for. So in our case, we searched for Captain America and we got the image. Now let's try to change the character. So we have to continue for that.
Choose one from Power Stats, Biography, Appearance, Work, Connections, and Image. Or would you like to search for another superhero?
Another superhero.
Okay. Which superhero would you like to search for?
Okay, so this time let's check for a villain. Why not Thanos?
Character found. What would you like to know about Thanos? Choose one from Power Stats, Biography, Appearance, Work, Connections, and Image. Or would you like to search for another superhero?
That's amazing. The character is found, Thanos. We can know about Thanos. So we won't be going through each and options again. I would like to show that we can still go through every option, but For the testing purpose, we'll see that if we can fetch the image of a different character, that is Thanos. So I will say image.
Here is the image of Thanos. Say, continue, to know more about Thanos.
So this time we see that we changed the character and we have received a different image, that is the image of Thanos. So we'll continue.
Choose one from Power Stats, Biography, Appearance, Work, Connections, and Image. Or would you like to search for another superhero?
So I would like to say one thing, that if a user just want to know whether a particular character is there in the database, he can just enter the name and then check it, instead of like searching for the deep information. One can just search whether that particular character is there or not, or if he or she is too interested in that character, he or she can even learn more about them. So that pretty much explains the first feature of my project. In order to test the second feature of my project, I have to rerun the application. So I need to exit. Okay, so for the second feature, we need to rerun, as I mentioned.
Alright, getting the test version of my superhero DB.
Howdy, folks. Welcome to my Superhero DB app. Would you like to know about any superhero or let me know your favorite one?
So this time I would like to tell my favorite superhero. So we'll say favorite superhero. But for that, I need to trigger this scenario on Integromat. Okay, so let's give the input.
Alright. Firstly, I need to know your name.
Okay, my name is Ashwini, so I'll give that.
So, who is your favorite superhero?
Mine is Doctor Strange.
Why do you like Doctor Strange? Explain in a sentence.
Okay, I like Doctor Strange because I like magic. That's a simple reason.
Your response is saved. Thank you.
Okay, so it seems that the response is saved. We head to Integromat to check it. Yes, the information was received from VoiceFlow, and it was received by webhooks, and it was further forwarded to Google Sheets. As you can see here, I gave my name and the superhero's name with a reason, and it was further forwarded. Now I have even opened Google Sheet, and here you can see that a new row was added with my name and my favorite superhero, Doctor Strange, and the reason. So this pretty much explains the second feature of my project. That's it. Both the features, we have tested it on the Google Accent Simulator, and both of them have been successfully tested. Both of them were running fine, and thank you. I hope you like my project.